Hi, my name is Bob and welcome to the homestead, y'all. Well, in this video we're installing the most sophisticated rainwater catchment system and filtration system that we've ever designed and installed. So you don't want to miss this one. This is where I'm at on the cistern install. We have the pump set in place, fitting on it, the 36-gallon pressure tank. You can see we have a bleed off valve here, or you could hook a hose to it, a 30-50 pressure switch, and the pump came with a 20-40 pressure switch. Gauge, I still need to put a plug in. And this is a solenoid. It's a 120 volt solenoid valve. So that way the client can run city water, or they can run with their cisterns through the filter system. Right over there is the other one that's going to go on the city water side with a backflow preventer. So that way there's no way any contaminants can go into the city water. And then this is the filter system. It's an AquaBoon. It's a whole house filtration, goes down to 1/2 micron. And then we have the UV 55 watt UV with a flow switch on it. So when the ballast detects water flow, then the power will come on to the UV light. And then we'll go into the house and we'll go under the house and tie into the city water, and it will come in here and go through the filtration system also. So if they're running through their cisterns, it'll be going through the filtration, and if they run through the city water. Now, what I'm going to tie this into is a switch inside the cistern that detects the water. So when the cisterns get low and get down to about 50 gallons, then it'll kick this switch off and that switch on, and city water will run through. So that way the client never has to do anything. Okay, I'll show you where I'm at today. This is day 2 of the install. We have everything hooked up, the pressure switch, the automatic solenoid, that's 120 volt solenoid, ball valve. I still don't have these PEX rings crimped yet. I'm dry fitting everything together with the strainer. This will go to the bypass on the filters. This will go to our alternate water source. Have the gauges installed. You can see them on top there, and a ball valve on this side. So the strainer, ball valve, ball valve. So that way we can shut both ball valves off and change the filters. Okay, we have water coming in here from the cisterns, check valve, union, pump, coming around, coming down, ball valve, pressure tank, bleed off valve, pressure gauge, pressure switch, flow meter coming up. Now this is going to go out to non-filtered faucet, which is marked not potable, going to the greenhouse. This is a solenoid, normally open solenoid, so this will be closed unless there's no water in the cisterns. If the cisterns drop, then this will open. This is feeding in from city water, and I'll show you that manifold here in just a minute. Coming in, strainer. Let me zoom out here with a bypass, which they shouldn't use unless they're changing their filters. Pressure gauges for all 3 filters. And this is a AquaBoon filter. Ball valves on both sides. Bypass coming in, UV light, flow switch that'll turn the UV light on when it flows, another flow meter, and a ball valve. and then it goes under the house. And I will show you that here in just a minute. Okay, we have the Mondulon pre-filters going into the storage tanks here. There's another one over here. If you don't know about them, I'll put the link in the description where I discuss them and do a review on them, but they are excellent. Excellent pre-filters. Alright, starting to come together. We're tied in to the two 500-gallon tanks. Just tied in a 1,500 gallon. Got it tied in. And then we have the concrete poured. We'll set another 1,500 gallon here. And another 1,500 gallon here. So that'll give quite a bit of storage. So we'll have 5,500 gallons of storage. These are excellent tanks. Okay, just wanted to show you real quick the control box. Controlling the whole system. We got a couple set of contactors, a breaker, a little cube contactor, and this is the water sensor. I have it unhooked right now. I put the touch screen in the front of the panel. Oh, there's the pump kicking on. Has a digital pump switch, so digital pressure switch. When it gets up to 60 psi or 4 bar, it'll kick off. And there it goes, kicked off. So that's 4 bar on that, and you can see it's at 60 psi, and it kicks on around 40 pounds. It'll kick on and shut off at 60. This controls everything. As long as there's water in the cisterns, this will leave that relay open. Well, it's normally closed actually. It'll leave that running through, power will run through it. When the cisterns get empty, this sends a signal, kicks that relay off, which kicks that relay off. So that way the pump will not run. And then this one opens this solenoid right there. So if the power goes out, then this solenoid's normally open. You can see I wrote on the side of it. Normally open, so water will come through there, and of course the pump won't run from the cisterns. That's the whole system. It is done. So I just got to tidy up a few wires here. I have my tray running across. I got to make a custom cover for that because that wire's too stiff to come out the tray. So I'll make a little cover for that and tidy up this zip tie. Some of these wires, it doesn't look too good. Looks like a giant octopus in here. But I'll tidy up that a little and get our water sensors turned on, and we will be good to go. Tidy up all these wires here. I'll have to zip tie them and put some holders in on the block. That's got it. That's the water cistern system. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And as always, thanks for watching.